Hi, I'm Ken from Crypto Trading KS. Thanks for tuning in. Let's run the numbers. Bitcoin currently up 3.45% to 67,474. Ethereum up 2.24% to 47.96. We're going to have a look at Cardano ADA. ADA is up 3.36% to $2.11. We have higher and lower price targets on Cardano. Lower ones are at 2099, 2018, 1920. Higher price targets are at 2236, 2442, 2783, 3022 and 3374. If you would like to learn how to put in price levels and how to mark up charts, you can have a look at the Crypto Trading KS Masterclass. That will also give you a certificate in advanced crypto technical analysis. One thing that we always say, when you look at a chart, just trade the chart that you view. Don't panic too much about negative and positive news. When I say panic about positive news, that's all about fear of missing out, FOMO. We don't FOMO in the Crypto Trading KS community. We just always understand the price is always moving in a wave. It's waving up and waving down. We need to be aware of the risk for the upside and the downside, and always have an upside and downside risk strategy in play. For example, if ADA just rallies very, very quickly to the $3.37 level, what would you do? And if it collapses down to the 192 level, what would you do then? These are really important questions, and when you have answers for those, you will sleep far better at night. We can see that ADA is under considerable resistance here. It's just making its way up slowly. It's currently 111. We need price to repair itself to get above this 2236 mark to start to get going. Now, what's happening with Cardano in the market? This is a very cool graph from Twitter. Someone has put in the Wall Street cheat sheet about disbelief, hope, optimism, belief, thrill, euphoria, and then capitulation, anxiety, denial, panic, depression, disbelief again, and so the theory starts again. This is a really good chart, and of course this is on Cardano's price action. Having a look at the futures market, we can see the perpetual futures are pointing towards negative price action. Looking at the traditional futures, we see a little bit of a different story. We see going forward in time, the futures traders, are expecting more upside potential. When we have a look at Cardano, it's currently ranked number 6. It's on 1.7 million watch lists. It's doing pretty well. 74% of the supply has been released and is now circulating. We can also see that the price action over time is very constructive. We always want to see mounds over here exceeding mounds over there, so to speak. We want the mountain on the right hand side to be more than or higher than the mountain on the left hand side. Even though ADA's price has stalled somewhat, it's really important to remember that over the 1 year period, ADA's come up nearly 1900%. It's also quite good to get an insight into who is holding ADA. We can see hodlers holding for 1 year plus, starting to come back into the market and accumulate. Also, those particular holders holding for 1 to 12 months are starting to come up as well. This is a good sign. The traders holding for less than 1 month are wobbling around a bit. The average time ADA is held is 6.2 months. We can see the concentration of ownership. 71.87% is in retail hands. 22.1% of ADA is in investor hands, and the whales hold 6.02% of ADA's circulating supply. When we have a look through the news stories for Cardano, just for the past hour, We don't see much on Cardano, not much at all. It's also good to understand Cardano's ecosystem. We can see lending and borrowing, launchpad, yield, synthetic assets, derivatives, insurance, stablecoins, oracles, graph and query, DEX, wallets and payments. Also a lot of NFT and gaming and other. This is really good to keep your eye on. It's good to remember that the Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund actually has Cardano ADA as a percentage of that fund, 3.44%. If you go to the Grayscale website and look at Learn and then click Reports and Insights, you can get an introduction to Cardano here, and you can access the report by just pressing download. It's really quite fascinating. It's a good report, of course. Grayscale is an incredible company. It does a lot of research, and it needs to. It's investing billions and billions of dollars. It goes through Cardano. It's a really interesting paper. You can get to it by that link. It is possible that over time, Grayscale will actually do a single asset fund for ADA, for Cardano. It doesn't have one now, but it certainly has a lot of other cryptos. I hope you found the content useful. Please consider sharing and liking this video if you think it will help others. Thank you to our moderators for keeping our community safe from scammers. If you have any further sources that you would like me to track and cover on a daily basis, please let me know in the comments, or you can reach out to me on Twitter. This is my Twitter address, @StanDfielD. It's 2 Ds, StanDfielD. I'd welcome hearing from you. If you would like daily updates on price movements in the crypto market, please subscribe to YouTube. I've left helpful links in the description of this video. Please remember, crypto is volatile. Always prepare yourself for the best and worst case scenarios. Reality will likely be between them. Stay safe out there, take care, and see you next time. Bye for now.